Andhra Pradesh contributes close to 5% of national GDP. During our first year of governance, 2019-2020, we have achieved 7.2% growth in GSDP versus the below 5% growth registered in the previous year 2018-2019. The growth in financial year 2020-2021 was hit severely by COVID-induced lockdowns crippling the global and domestic economy alike. Global economy contracted by 3% in real term. Indian economy contracted by 3% in nominal term, and AP has managed to register a positive growth of 1.6%. To register a positive growth due to the focus of the Chief Minister on protecting lives and livelihood. This pyramid was cushioned from the income shock through Navaratnalu. Robust healthcare service to the nook and cranny of the state through village and ward volunteer system. Supporting the MSME industry through initiatives such as Restart. Key interventions for hand-holding MSME. Andhra Pradesh is the first state in the nation to launch the MSME Restart Support Package. Andhra Pradesh is one of the top states contributing significantly to India's merchandise expo. Honorable Chief Minister has vision for improvising the trade and commerce, which have significant multiplier effects on the domestic economy. Andhra Pradesh contributes around 5% of India's merchandise exports, and we have set ourselves a target to increase our share to 10% by 2030. The state government, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, has brought an action plan under various departments. New ports under construction. Ramayapatnam Port, Machilipatnam Port, Bhavanapadu Port. Fishing harbours under construction, Phase 1. Uppada, East Godavari District, Machilipatnam, Krishna District, Nizamapatnam, Guntur District, Juvaladinne, Nellore District. Fishing harbours under construction, Phase 2. Bodagatlapalam, Pudimadaka, Kottapatnam, Biyaputippa, AP Airports Development Corporation Limited. Bhogapuram Greenfield International Airport, Bhogapuram, Vizianagaram District. Uyyalawada Narsimhareddy Airport, Kurnool. Under the National Manufacturing Policy, Government of India has identified economic corridors as key policy instruments to boost the Indian manufacturing sector. Andhra Pradesh is the only state implementing 3 industrial corridors, which will boost industrialization across the length and breadth of the state. Visakhapatnam Chennai Industrial Corridor, Chennai Bengaluru Industrial Corridor, Hyderabad Bengaluru Industrial Corridor. 3 concept cities to be planned in an extent of 1,000 to 2,000 acres to provide thrust to the development of IT or ITES sector in Andhra Pradesh. These concept cities are being planned at Visakhapatnam, Anantapur and Chittoor, and are envisioned to be futuristic cities offering world-class common infrastructure, vibrant social infrastructure, connectivity with airports and highways, walk-to-work concept, etc. Chris City is a greenfield smart industrial city being developed across an area of 12,000 acres as a node in the Chennai-Bangalore Industrial Corridor, CBIC. Government of Andhra Pradesh have incorporated on 21st November 2019 a new company, YSR Steel Corporation Limited. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy laid the foundation stone for the steel plant on 26th December 2019. Government have given directions that the entire implementation of the project needs to be carried out expeditiously to complete in 36 months, that is, by mid-2024. The government has been monitoring the investment proposals very closely for their speedy grounding. After the new government has taken charge, June 2019 to May 2021, the investment inflow has been robust. Large and Mega Industries 65. Investment 29,781 crores. Employment created 45,049. MSME units 13,885. Investment 4,221 crores. Employment created 88,516. There are 62 projects under implementation with total investment of 36,384 crore rupees with the potential to create employment to 76,916 people. There are 18 projects under the active consideration of government with total investment of 18,334 crores and employment of 40,794 people. 2,068 companies have been allotted 2,526 acres of land by APIIC with a committed investment of 18,171 crores and proposed employment of 1,54,757. Many more companies have expressed interest in taking up land to set up industrial units in the state and are currently in discussion with the state government. Potential for developing industries, MSMEs, clusters across districts. One district, one product. Primarily, one product is selected across each district of Andhra Pradesh to address gaps or challenges in the development path of products. It covers all aspects of product ecosystem, including value chain gaps and infrastructure gaps. YSR EMC is being developed as a world-class electronics manufacturing cluster at Kopparthi in Kadapa district in an extent of more than 500 acres. The EMC will enable creation of more than 35,000 local jobs and infuse more than 8,000 crore rupees into the local economy as salaries to employees in the next 10 years. In the last 2 years, APSSDC has been able to skill 7 lakh students and unemployed youth through offline skilling and another 2 lakh plus candidates virtually during the COVID pandemic. The Honorable Chief Minister has directed to establish a skills university at apex level and 30 skill colleges, one each, in each electoral MP constituency and one at JNTU Pulivendula. AP State has been conferred with the Best State in Skill Development by ASSOCHAM. For operationalization of YSR AP1, proposals were submitted to the ADB and ADB has issued acceptance for funding the establishment with an estimated value of 125 crores. The Government of Andhra Pradesh, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, is committed to the all-round growth and development of the state with a focused approach to attract industries into the state. The state is seeing a sustained interest from global and domestic investors, and the government is constantly improving regulations, infrastructure and skills to facilitate trade and investments.
A simple motto that we follow at Andhra Pradesh is, you grow, we grow.
Like-minded companies from all over the globe to come over to set up their shop in India and especially in Andhra Pradesh.